Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your next or previous arrow are missing in the Photos app on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type installed apps. Open it. Search here Photos PHOTOS. Go to Microsoft Photos, three dot icon, advanced option. Here scroll down guys, reset. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app data won't it be affected, repair first. I hope this repair will definitely work for you guys. Check the Photos app and try it. It's not working. If this still isn't working right, reset it. Apps data will be deleted. You want to reset it guys, that's it. This will permanently delete the app data on this device, including your preference and sign in details. Reset it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Hope you guys like it. I hope this tutorial definitely work for you guys. Thanks for watching my video. Goodbye.